Welcome back to Wealth Catalysts. Today we're diving into the exciting world of fix and flip real estate investing and exploring how private money lending can supercharge your projects. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, understanding the interplay between fix and flip strategies and private money lending is essential for maximizing your returns. We'll break down what fix and flip is all about, how private money lending fits into the picture, review some real-world success stories, and share tips to help you master this powerful investment approach. So let's get started. Fix and flip is a real estate investment strategy where you purchase undervalued properties, renovate them, and then sell them for a profit. The objective is to enhance the property's value through renovations and sell it at a higher price. Speed is crucial here. The faster you can complete the renovations and sell the property, the better your return on investment. To achieve this, you need quick and reliable financing, which is where private money lending comes into play. Unlike traditional bank loans, private money loans offer faster access to capital and more flexible terms, making them ideal for the fast-paced fix and flip projects. Private money lending plays a pivotal role in the success of fix and flip projects. This type of financing involves borrowing funds from individuals or private institutions rather than traditional banks. Unlike conventional loans, private money loans are designed to meet the specific needs of real estate investors working on fix and flip projects. One of the primary advantages of private money lending is the speed of access to capital. In the world of real estate investing, timing is everything. When you find a promising property, you need to act quickly to secure it before other investors do. Traditional bank loans often come with lengthy approval processes and bureaucratic red tape, which can delay your ability to close on a property. Private money lenders, on the other hand, can provide funds much faster, allowing you to seize opportunities and move forward with your project without delay. Another benefit of private money lending is the flexibility it offers. Private lenders are often more willing to negotiate terms compared to traditional banks. This flexibility extends to various aspects of the loan, including interest rates, repayment schedules, and even the amount of funding provided. This means you can work with lenders to create a loan structure that aligns with your project's cash flow needs and renovation timelines. For instance, some private money lenders may offer interest-only payments during the renovation phase, which can free up more capital for improvements and help manage your budget more effectively. Let's look at a few case studies to see how private money lending has played a crucial role in successful fix and flip projects. In one example, an investor identified a property in a rapidly growing neighborhood but needed quick funding to secure it before other buyers swooped in. A private lender provided the funds swiftly, allowing the investor to complete renovations and sell the property at a premium, capitalizing on the neighborhood's growth. In another case, an investor faced unexpected renovation challenges but received additional funds from a private lender who adjusted the loan terms to cover the extra costs. This support helped the investor address the issues thoroughly and achieve a higher profit. Lastly, a seasoned investor used private money lending to scale their business, handling multiple projects simultaneously. The flexible funding allowed for significant business expansion and ongoing success in new markets. The strategic management of these projects, including staggered sales to align with market conditions, ensured a steady stream of income and maximized returns. As a result of these initial successes, the investor's relationship with the private money lender strengthened, leading to continued funding support and the ability to expand into new markets and take on more complex projects. Lessons learned. 1. Scaling through leverage. Private money lending is a powerful tool for scaling a fix and flip business, particularly when traditional financing limits growth potential. 2. Strategic project management. Effective management and strategic planning are crucial when handling multiple projects to ensure each reaches its maximum profit potential. 3. Building long-term partnerships. Establishing long-term relationships with private money lenders provides ongoing access to capital, supporting continued business growth and expansion. These case studies highlight how private money lending can be a game changer in fix and flip projects, offering flexibility, speed, and support to overcome challenges and scale investment efforts. By leveraging private money lending, investors can turn opportunities into successful, profitable ventures. To make the most of private money lending, here are some practical tips. First, build a strong network of private lenders. Attend industry events, engage with real estate professionals, and leverage personal connections to find potential lenders. Next, focus on effective project management. Create detailed project plans, stay on budget, and choose reliable contractors. Regularly monitor progress and manage expenses to ensure timely completion. Also, work on maximizing profit margins by negotiating with suppliers, focusing on high ROI renovations, and enhancing property appeal through smart upgrades and staging. Finally, have clear exit strategies. Plan for various market conditions and be prepared to sell, rent, or hold the property based on current trends and opportunities. In conclusion, private money lending can significantly enhance your fix and flip projects by providing fast, flexible financing tailored to your needs. By building strong lender relationships, managing your projects effectively, and implementing smart strategies, you can unlock new opportunities and achieve greater success in real estate investing. Thank you for tuning in to Wealth Catalysts. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue to grow and succeed together. See you in the next video.